Let's delve into more detail about some of the dangerous animals found in rainforests and what makes them potentially perilous. Box jellyfish habitat. These jellyfish are not typically found within the rainforest but in the coastal regions near them, such as the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Danger. The box jellyfish is known for its extremely potent venom. Its tentacles are lined with thousands of stinging cells, and their sting can cause excruciating pain, skin narcosis, and in severe cases can be lethal due to heart failure or paralysis. They are responsible for more deaths in Australia than sharks, crocodiles, and snakes combined. Very dangerous jellyfish. Anaconda habitat. The green anaconda primarily inhabits the Amazon rainforest in South America. Danger. Anacondas are one of the largest and most robust snakes globally, capable of constricting and suffocating large prey. While they typically avoid humans, a large anaconda can pose a risk to humans if cornered or threatened. They are known to eat animals such as deer, capybaras, and caimans. Saltwater crocodile habitat. Saltwater crocodiles are found in estuarine and coastal areas near rainforest regions, particularly in northern Australia and Southeast Asia. Danger. These crocodiles are the largest living reptiles and have an aggressive disposition. They are responsible for numerous attacks on humans, both fatal and non-fatal. Their powerful jaws and strong bite make them highly dangerous to anyone who ventures too close to their territory. Poison dart frog habitat. Poison dart frogs are indigenous to Central and South American rainforests. Danger. While they are not dangerous through aggression, some species of poison dart frogs are known for their vibrant colors, which serve as a warning to potential predators. These frogs secrete toxic compounds through their skin. Indigenous people have used these toxins to poison the tips of blow darts for hunting. A single touch or ingestion of their secretions can be lethal to predators. Jaguar habitat. Jaguars are primarily found in the rainforests of Central and South America. Danger. Jaguars are apex predators in their ecosystems and are known for their powerful bite and ability to take down large prey, including tapirs, peccaries, and even caimans. While they usually avoid humans, they can pose a threat if cornered or provoked. Bullet ant habitat. Bullet ants are native to Central and South American rainforests. Danger. The sting of a bullet ant is infamously painful and is described as feeling like being shot. It is known as the 24 hours ant because the pain can persist for up to 24 hours. Some indigenous tribes use these ants in initiation rituals to demonstrate courage. Mosquitoes habitat. Mosquitoes are ubiquitous in rainforests around the world. Danger. Despite their small size, mosquitoes are considered one of the most dangerous creatures due to their role in transmitting disease they carry and spread diseases like malaria, dengue, fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever, causing millions of human deaths each year. These animals are part of the complex web of life in rainforests, and while some can be dangerous to humans, it is crucial to understand and respect their role in these ecosystems and to take appropriate precautions when visiting rainforest areas.